Hey, I'm Jeff for Traveler Guitar, and today we are going to unbox the Traveler Guitar Ultralight Steel. So here is the Ultralight Steel in its box. Pop the lid off here. Take the guitar out. All right, so here's the guitar in its included nylon gig bag. It's got a really nice accessory pouch here, two handles for carrying like a suitcase, and then it's also got a backpack, an adjustable backpack strap, so you can throw it over your back. Unzip the pouch. Okay, inside the pouch is the removable lap rest, which I'll show you in a minute, and then this little plastic bag, which has inside it the wrench for the fully adjustable truss rod, and then two pieces of paper. We've got the warranty card, which you should fill out immediately and send into Traveler Guitar so you can receive all the benefits of your registered warranty. And then there's just a little instruction booklet. It's got instructions for stringing and tuning your Traveler Guitar. It lists all the factory equipped strings and explains the bumper-to-bumper limited lifetime warranty. I'm gonna set these things aside. And now we're gonna unzip the bag and show you the guitar. All right, so when you first receive your Traveler Guitar, it may have this bag with it. We call this the space bag. It protects the guitar during shipping. I'm gonna remove it now. Oh, and there it is. The Traveler Guitar Ultralight Steel. So it's a single piece of American hard maple. It's one piece body, 24 3/4 inch scale, the same as, for example, a Les Paul. But it's an acoustic electric guitar. So under the bridge here is the Traveler Piezo, which you can plug into a headphone amp, amplifier. This is the 1/4 inch output jack, and it's also the strap button. There's another strap button here, and you hang the strap like that with the front facing this way, so it hangs nicely. Standard guitar tuning keys, the same you might find on your acoustic guitar at home, only they're set into the body on these tuning rails. And that's what allows Traveler Guitar to clip off the headstock to make the guitar smaller for travel without reducing the scale size, so the playability remains the same. The strings start out in this end cap, and you can see those are the ball end of the strings that you might normally see on the bottom of the guitar, and they wrap around these rollers and into the in-body tuning system. So near the end cap here, you're gonna see this Traveler Guitar leather hang strap. And this is primarily a retail solution, so we can hang it in guitar stores. And if you want to remove it, you can use a pair of clippers or wire cutters, insert them right here, and just clip that zip tie off and dispose of the hang strap. But a lot of players use this to display their guitar and store it at home. And if you go to travelerguitar.com, you can purchase a string swing Traveler Guitar wall hanger and then use this strap to hang your guitar at home. A lot of players use their Ultralight just like this. They put it on a strap, they put it on their body, and they play it. But if you're a lap kind of a player, you can insert this lap rest just like that. That's simply, you squeeze it and insert it, and then it'll sit right on your knee just like that, very comfortably, so you can play the guitar on your lap. This has been an unboxing video for the Traveler Guitar Ultralight Steel. I'm Jeff for Traveler Guitar. Thanks for watching.